Hello, y'all. Okay, doing this game that when I first played it, Jesus Christ, it scared me. It scared everything out of me. On the last bit, which you'll see soon enough. So yeah. Okay, in the Lambo. Hey, do you mind? Windmills. I wonder how do they program this though?
How would you do this to me?
Do what? Do you?
You hit me.
Anyways, it's gonna get harder. I know that. That's for sure, y'all. Why am I saying y'all? I'm Mount Cowboy.
Actually, this wait. So no,
Okay. This is the part that really scares everything out of me, guys.
yeah, so do you do it?
If you start rolling here, you're just done for. That's the whole thing. But I'm actually getting quite lucky on this. Not so much for my friend. Oh, yeah. Yeah, this is going good. Well, so far. Yeah. Okay, we're getting there. Oh my god, how am I alive? Damn. Oh no, this is where it gets scary. This is what I'm talking about. Oh, I'm good. Do you see what I mean, yo?
Yeah, it's scary.
I say this part gives me anxiety, but I don't know about you guys.
Oh gosh, no.
Oh, we're in this. Oh no, this ain't good. Oh, do not turn very hard with it. Are you kidding me? Do not turn very hard with it in a direction. It will just.
Really bad timing, isn't it?
No, it flips and then you get teleported back. Oh yeah, if you're wondering who I'm talking to, I'm currently on a call with my friend because his mic's not working. Yeah, no, it's a bit awkward that he's got his mic on. It's impossible for me to turn through this because it is hella hard to turn in this thing. Oh no. My friend's telling me to do the boulder challenge, so I guess I'll do that after this.
It's really easy. The boulders are.
Oh.
They don't do anything.
No, please, no! No! Bruh, I fell. No! I was so close yet so far. This is a bit boring, isn't it? I'll just show you guys when I'm at the end. Yeah, we're pretty much here. So, I'll see how much does this give XP, I'm guessing? Yep, Okay, expect easy peasy lemon squeezy. Well, that was easy. Now we're just falling in the void. I'm good. Yep.
Who even decides to do this? Like, this is torture.
This is definitely the hardest vehicle just because of this damn turning. It makes my brain cells rot. Okay. I'm just flying the rest of the way, bro. Ah! Ah! Please. Ah! No, 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 no. Yes, 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 yes. I'm good. Yeah, the brakes are good. No, 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 no. Aha!
Yeah, if you go down slowly, it kind of works until eventually you just hit one a bit too hard. And
I'm
you just
boosting down.
go, oh, yes.
Come on.
Nearly fell out. Oh, if I had fallen out, I would have been so good.
Please let me. No! No! It didn't let me. I'm skipping this. Like, god damn. Guys, I'm literally right on the mark. I've got it finally. It took me more than a few tries. Let's just say that. 'Cause this Nitro Drifter. Yeah, my friend had a dirt bike. You go ahead, because he's just better than me. And Nitro Drifters. Nitro Drifters freaking calm. It's not making any noise for some reason. I don't know why. Feels like I'm driving an electric car.
Now, I got the Nitro bike, and it is so good controlling. This thing is so good for this though. Now, any other bikes are
Yeah, guys, let's not talk about that one. I'm just falling space. No! God, no, no, no. Man, I just got RKO'd. Oh,
Now we practically have the same car now.
No! 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 I'm going out. I'm going out. I'm just gonna go to the end. I'm at the ramp, not being smashed around like.
Finally hit me into a laser.
Please don't make this my end. No, 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 yes, no, yes, yes. Good. 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 No, not so good. Yes, good. That's great. And it's guaranteed I've made it. Let's see what I get next. I'm on 5 and I got the dirt bike. I want to catch up to you. Dirt bike's too OP. Dirt bike's OP. Dirt bike OP. Can you guys comment down dirt bike OP in the comments down below? And let's see how many people actually reach this point in the video. I probably will end this video after this, so I'm guessing none of you will like last this long in the video, right? Well, if that's so, prove it and just put down dirt bike OP in the comments down below. it's time to end that video. Bit long video. Jesus. Ooh. Okay. See you guys in the next one, I guess.